Alright, welcome everybody to this video. Actually, we have the following customer testimonials. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is gonna go to ChatGPT and we'll try to generate new images. So now I'm gonna tell ChatGPT what I'm gonna do. Now I need to generate images for the website. Images are for the characters on the section. Here they are. So I'm gonna create the file. I'm just gonna create the characters, or let me say the different characters based on these testimonials. But I have like another concern. Like if you go here, adult towing, I need to go to these images and generate the needed size. So the size of these images are the following. So if you go here, you can see like this is the image. Alright, this image is inside the back. It got a background, and the size of it is 273 times 215. That's like the size of the background. 273 times 215. Alright, so I'm just gonna tell ChatGPT what's the size. The size of the image is 274 times 215. That's like pixel. But make it 2x that size. I need to make it 2x that size. So it's 200 times 246 times 215 pixel, but I need to make it 2x to make it the resolution better. Okay. Alright, so we just hit the enter button and start generating the images. So right now it seems there's a issue generating the image. We're going to try it later. Alright, so we could click in regenerate to start again. So notice this is what I got from the response. Okay. So now I need to tell it in different way. So what I'm gonna do, I need to generate, I need you to generate 4 images, 2 for males and 2 for females. They are American, all of them are African. No, all of them are American. They are American. One white American. You're okay, mid 20s or mid 40s. Okay. Michael. Let me say Michael. Michael is white American, mid 40s. Sarah is Hispanic, Hispanic, mid-30s. David, mid-50s. Middle or European. And Emily is white, American, mid-20s. Let me try with this way, see what you got. So as you can see, once we tried to generate the images using directly this description is not working. So I had to ask ChatGPT to create for me a table for the 4 characters with description to generate images using Midjourney, and that's the result. So right now, notice here's the size that I'm looking for. The size is basically 247 times 215. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go to Canva to create a new custom design, and we'll use that size 274 times 215 pixel, and we're just gonna choose that and create new design. And here just gonna name it Adult Towing Testimonials. All right, images. And that's basically the size. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna resize this to a custom size, and you can choose from these sizes actually. But let's stick with the current size. I'll go to the image generator. So we have here a tool called image generator. You can find it under Magic Media, and we try to generate these images. So let's go to the table here, and we'll try to generate the first one. It should be photo, and we click on generate. Alright, so this is the image. So let me pick on one of these. So let me just choose this one. Alright, that sounds good. Can maximize it a little bit to look like that. We can create different pages. So let me add another page, 4 pages. And let's go to the table and try to make another generation. So let's start with the generate again for the second image. So this is going to be the first one, and now we need to generate another one. This is Sarah. Let's see. I think this one is good, but I need to generate more that like this. I click on the generate more like this to generate an image similar to this one. Alright, so let me pick this image. Sounds good. But I didn't like the eyes. This one is good actually, so let me stick with it. Alright, so I choose this image. one is good. And let me move to the other one. This is for David. Let me see. Generate. All right, welcome Uncle David. This is David. All right, and let's generate the last one for Emily. Let's go with Emily. All right. Hey, Emily, how you doing? Did like this one. Let me see this one. I didn't like the eyes, so maybe this one is better. All right, this one is really perfect. Just let's click on generate more like this. I really like the layout, but I didn't like the smile. Smile is not perfect. So let me see if I come up with a better smile for Emily. I didn't like the eyes. Let me see this one. Yeah, this one is good. This one is really good. This one is really good, but yeah. Let me see again. Yeah, this one is really good. This is the better. So let me try edit image. Let's say magic. Let me see, magic edit. So let me minimize this a little bit. Let's say make it quiet smile. Let me see what they come up with. If I need to change the image, make it quiet smile. See if that works or not. So editing faces handler is not intended for magic edit. All right, let's keep it as is, because making magic smile, I think the magic edit is not supposed to do this. There's other ways to do it in Photoshop, for example. But I'm trying to see like all the capabilities of this. It's complicated, right? Okay, it's not working. Anyways, so let's keep it as is. Seems like natural smile. That's good. These are all the photos that we got. So now I need to share these designs, these images. I'm trying to download them, so let me go download and download all these images to be used inside the testimonial section. Alright, so let's click on download. I'll choose PNG. Let me click on GBG for quality and increase the size a little bit to 1.5 and click on download. So this will give me all the images in JPEG format. So I opened the extracted images, extract them to a folder, and then I'll try to upload them to the website. So basically go to my website here. Notice we opened a previous tab before, so let me go to the website, edit with Thrive. And we'll try to add these images. So let's start with Michael. Click on this image, replace. Try to upload images. Alright, these are the images. Let me upload them. So let's start with Michael. Insert. Let me go to Sarah. This is Sarah, and this is David, and this is Emily. Wow, amazing, guys. So these are all the testimonials. So let me take a look at the testimonials on mobile. See how they look. Wow, that's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. So now I click save the settings and preview the changes using this button. Amazing. So notice here we have additional service: car towing, vehicle towing, and truck and SUV towing. And also we have the design is not correctly together right now, so I need a way to fix this issue. So let's go back here. So this is a column. So if you notice here we have this column. So if I duplicate this section and try to move this to that part, let me see again. So this is a column. I need to duplicate this and move it to left and remove that section. So now it's much better. So I'll ask ChatGPT to generate additional service. So generate additional service, include title and some description. So let me see what they come up with. So roadside assistance, fuel delivery service, accident recovery, long distance towing. Okay, let's say long distance towing or motorcycle towing. That's maybe that's better. So I'll put this motorcycle towing and add the description. So let me go here. Okay, maybe we could add just a few text to it, specialized towing for motorcycles, and that's it. You don't need to make it complicated, and then we just save the settings with the images and with all the settings. So right now I think it's really cool. We got certain sections to work with, including the menu and the gallery and the footer. These are the sections that we're going to work on in the next videos. Thank you, guys.